जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्म संयम योगमु 20th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, when you do Atma Dhyanam, when you do Yoga Abhyasam, when your mind keeps on thinking about Atma, you know what happens? That mind will no more think about the material objects and material activities. And then that mind will be continuously, constantly enjoying with Atma, rejoices Atma. That is how the one who does this Atma Dhyanam rejoices the inner joy through the purified mind. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma showing us the benefit of doing Atma Dhyanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yatra Vuparamate Chittam Niruddham Yoga Sevaya Yatra Chaiva Atmana Atmanam Pasyan Atmani Tushyati Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, and keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukha mukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura is asking Uddhava, O Uddhava, Rukmini Bhagavato Bhilebhe. Rukmini Devi through Sri Krishna Paramatma gave birth to Pradyumna. That Pradyumna, in his previous birth, he is Manmadha. Now, how is Pradyumna doing? O Uddhava, how is Ugrasena doing? He is master to all the Sattvatas, Bhoja, Dasarha and Vrishni people, those dynasty people. He is the master. That Ugrasena, how he is doing? O Uddhava, now Pundarikaksha Sri Krishna Paramatma, he gave kingdom to Ugrasena because Ugrasena is Krishna Paramatma's grandfather. Krishna Paramatma did not show any of his desire to enjoy that kingdom pleasures, but he gave that kingdom to Ugrasena. How is Ugrasena doing? O Uddhava, how is Samba doing? He is the son of Sri Krishna Paramatma and Jambavati. He is almost equivalent to Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is a great charioteer. How is Samba doing? O Uddhava, this Samba, in his previous birth, he is Parvati's son Kartikeya. How is that Samba doing? O Uddhava, how is Satyaki doing? Satyaki learned archery from Arjuna, and Satyaki realized that Krishna Paramatma's seva is the ultimate purpose of life. He realized that, and he has attained to a state where even great sannyasis, rishis also could not reach. To that extent, he dedicated to Krishna Paramatma's seva. How is that Satyaki doing? O Uddhava, how is Akrura doing? He is a great devotee. Anamivaha, there is no any contamination, pollution in him. Bhagavat Prapannaha, that Akrura is the one who surrendered to Paramatma. One day what happened is, Akrura came from Madhura to Nandavraja. In Nandavraja, on the earth, he noticed Sri Krishna Paramatma's the footsteps. Soon he realized that it is Krishna Paramatma's footprints on the earth. He totally gone unconscious. He fell down. He was touching those footprints and with outpouring, spontaneous, unlimited of his devotion and happiness, he started touching the feet, he started doing namaskaram to that divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Such great devotee Akrura, जलजाताङ्कुशचक्रचापकुलिसत् चित्रादिरेखाङ्कितोज्ज्वल गोविन्दपदाब्जलक्षित विराजन्मार्गधूलिच्छटाकलिताङ्गुडु विधूतकल्मषुडु निष्कामैकधर्मुण्डु సత్కులజాతుండననొప్పునట్టి ఘనుండు అక్రూరుండు భద్రాత్ముడే. దట్ గ్రేట్ డివోటీ అక్రూరా, హౌ హీ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్? లైక్ దిస్ Vidura asking Uddhava. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Dhyayanti ye Vishnumanantamavyayam హృత్పద్మమధ్యే సతతం వ్యవస్థితం సమాహితానాం సతతాభయప్రదం తే యాంతి సిద్ధిం పరమాంచ వైష్ణవీం. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th chapter 20th శ్లోక. యత్ర ఉపరమతే చిత్తం నిరుద్ధం యోగసేవయా యత్ర చైవ ఆత్మనా ఆత్మానం పశ్యన్నాత్మని తుష్యతి. యత్ర ఉపరమతే చిత్తం నిరుద్ధం యోగసేవయా యత్ర చైవాత్మనాత్మానం పశ్యన్నాత్మని తుష్యతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.